Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to share with you guys what I did on my social media break, but pause. If you haven't seen my what happened after I quit social media for 3 years, that's a really long title, video, I'll go ahead and add that up here so you can watch that either after this video or before, I don't care. But just watch that and it'll explain exactly why I quit social media for 3 years. And then what happened after. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I have a lifestyle channel, so I talk about fitness, food, law of attraction, and personal experiences. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so if you have taken a break from social media, did a little social media detox, you know that you find yourself with a lot of time on your hands. So just getting to the point, what I did during my social media break was create a YouTube channel. So I literally just dove into my passion. Now, to give you a little bit of a backstory to explain this all, I graduated with a bachelor's in radio and TV. I interned at 2 different TV stations back home in Orlando. Realized, yeah, I definitely don't want to be a reporter. I don't want to be covering depressing, sad news all the time. If I want to be on a platform, it has to be what I want to talk about. And once I figure out what that platform will be, I really wanted to help people, spread positive messages and just help. Okay, so fast forward a couple of years, there was a time frame when I didn't have cable, so all I watched was YouTube videos, and I had so many favorite people that I watched. From beauty gurus to just daily vloggers, it was like my cable. And around that time was when I actually took a break from social media. And so I thought, I'm like, why not start a YouTube channel? I started off recording videos on my iPhone. I didn't invest in fancy equipment in the beginning. I just was kind of testing the waters out, seeing if this is something that I really wanted to take serious. And my channel just gained momentum. I focused on law of attraction. I bought the law of attraction planner, and I kind of taught people how I did my spreads in the planner, which really took off. Talked about favorite products that I used, just kind of tried different content to see which one seemed more natural, obviously what the people enjoyed watching and listening to. And then about 2 years ago, I told myself, you know what, I really want to take this serious. So I invested in a camera, I invested in lighting, and I just went for it. I started, creating videos weekly and then tried to do twice a week, but it just seemed like the right path for me. It seemed like this was what I was meant to do. Now, everyone watching this video has a passion. So if you're thinking about taking a break from social media, it doesn't matter the amount of time. My advice would be to tap into that passion that you have, whether it's painting, singing, I don't care what it is, just really take the time and invest your energy into it. You really don't know what could come out of it. You can start making money from it, really start impacting people's lives in a positive way. It can really surprise you when you invest your time and energy into your passion. And I promise you, it will bring you happiness because it aligns with who you are, helping people, and what you enjoy doing. It just makes sense. But that's pretty much the gist of it. I didn't want to make this video too long, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.